so this is 3-127, letter B.
Does it have audio on it?
Uh-huh. Now you're on YouTube. It says solve the equations below by first changing each equation to a simpler equivalent equation and check your solution. So I'm doing letter B, so that says negative 2x over 3 minus x over 7 equals 17. So who has an idea on maybe a fraction buster? Kayla?
You multiply it by 3.
You could. Does anyone, so if you multiply it by 3, you're going to get rid of that 3, and that would be very nice. But you'll still probably end up, you'll still have that 7. Well, let's,
Why does it?
how about we'll multiply it by 3 and then we'll multiply it by 7. How's that? And then later on, I'll show you a shortcut. But, so and Mr. Hendricks, when he was in class, yesterday, he was saying, I don't show it the way you do, Mrs. Flynn. I break it down, I'm going to break it down like Mr. Hendricks does. I'm going to multiply each of these by 3. So I'm going to go 3 over 1 times negative 2x over 3. And then I'm going to go minus 3 over 1 times x over 7 equals 3 over 1 times 17 over 1. Okay, do you guys all understand what's going on? Wait, how did you decide, what made you say 3, Kayla?
Because I think you want to do the first fraction.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what you want.
Yeah, so that's how we're figuring, and is that why you said 7, Cody?
What?
Because you were, wanting to get rid of this 7 right here?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, when we multiply by the 3, then, see these 3s, we can just do our fraction math, they're like a giant 1 and they cancel out. And I have negative 2x. Now these don't cancel out, so I still have 3x over 7 times 1 is 7. That's 3x over 7. And then 3 times 17, I don't really know what that is. 1 times 3 is 51? Yeah, okay, 51. Okay, now we can do, Cody says we can get rid of this one here by multiplying by 7. So now I'm going to rewrite it again. This is 3-127, letter B. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply by 7 over 1. That's not a good color for you guys. Let's do black. Times negative 2x over 1 minus 7 over 1 times 3x over 7. 7 over 1 times 51 over 1. Okay, so we did that because we are pretty sure that's going to get rid of our denominator, our 7. Okay. So now, well, I can't do any cross canceling, but I can just go 7 times negative 2 is negative 14x. That's nice. And then these 7's cross cancel. We think of them as a giant 1, because 7 over 7. And then well, that gives us what? Negative 3x. This is nice. And then 51 times 7, not sure what that is. Let's see. 357? Any ideas now what we can do?
Combine like terms.
Thank you. Yeah, combine like terms. So we've got a negative 14 and a negative 3, and they're alike. So that would be negative 17x equals 357. Wouldn't it be handy if I had a calculator right now? I think I do have one though. I have to get it out of